Hello, my name is Megan Roth, and I am presenting this poster on screen time. The title is Keep an Eye on Your Screen Time. It's by Megan Roth, Emporia State University, and my email is mroth6@g.emporia.edu. To start off with, I'll go over the abstract, just what you will see on this poster, what it all encompasses. Screen time within the classroom is often accompanied with a heavy debate. There is strong evidence of technology being both harmful and helpful within the classroom. It is important to heavily analyze the effects of technology within the classroom because consequences are far too much to sacrifice. On one hand, it causes major cognitive deficits that have lifelong effects. On the other hand, it is astounding the collaboration and engaging activities that students are able to participate in due to the connections that are possible because of the said technology. It's very important that us educators investigate the true intention of the technology within the classroom, and that is something I will go over more in depth on how you can use the technology effectively. Just to give you a visual data or a visual representation of the data, we'll talk about how research, what's produced from the research on screen time, and it just mentions the different kind of effects that students may see. And then we will talk about the evidence. So in the textbook from this class by David A. Sosa, he makes a stance on how screen time is affecting teens by mentioning several studies have found that young children who watch more than 1 hour of screen time a day had reduced executive function capacity as well as inattention, academic achievement, and significant delays in language, cognitive, and motor development. So that was found on page 241. So these skills that were previously mentioned are being deteriorated by the use of technology. Those are very, very important and essential skills that we cannot afford to lose. The effects of this do last a lifetime. While the previous quote does clearly depict how technology has a negative effect on students, there is promising evidence that actually allows educators to feel good about the implementation of technology in their classroom. A source that I found in that is technology can offer a variety of teaching and learning techniques that can help teachers convey the subject material to a larger audience. So without the use of technology, many teachers would not be able to teach certain types of learners in the way they need it. So modification of material would not be possible without technology in the classroom. All educators know that not all students learn the exact same way, and technology is a great source to educate yourself first on how to teach those said learners. So with any presentation, it's important to produce a solution. In order to implement technology in the classroom, we as educators should first consider if the technology has a positive effect. If it is positively impacting the students, you should see an increased collaboration and even engagement. The next question you should ask yourself when implementing technology is, are you just using this technology with an intention that you're going to actually assess the students on, or is it just to babysit and be a filler? Last, make sure that the technology actually has a palpable positive effect on the students. It's important that you actually see the positive effect of the technology and not just assume. So have intention when planning the incorporation of technology within your classroom. It's just really important to understand that it's not just a filler. It should be something that is actually going to benefit the students, and you can see that benefit. So, and down at the bottom, I have mentioned the sources that I use throughout this presentation/poster.